a hiking trip. Gonna see some deer and grass and water and rocks and trees and poison ivy. Oh yes.
Whatever, we probably just saved ourselves a bunch of money. Yeah, we did. Look at that. $1.88. That is the way to go.
We're grocery shopping.
Milk? Can we get milk?
What? Yeah, we need milk.
Can we get chocolate milk?
Oh, we have a full cart now. Yeah. We're hoping this is like $120.
And it only took us like 2 hours.
Yeah, it's now like 11:10 or something.
And we realized that Jocelyn's not a smart shopper.
All right, we have our food. Woo!
Look at all this. And we're smart shoppers. What was the estimated amount for your
Ooh, we were gonna spend $120, so that'd be like $40 each. But our total with batteries, which are super expensive, was $109.75.
Woo! And the batteries were like $12. So
Yes. So we're winning.
Yeah.
Already.
Woo!
I see that. Now the Wi-Fi is on. I gotta love it. Download all of them. Just download our song. Just download our song and then we can play that until your phone turns on.
Right?
Over and over and over.
Ta-da! It's a video.
My face, spit it out.
That was massive.
You were jumping my shoe.
We just ate at this cute little boat place. The chicken was very much. Getting used to me. Oh, sorry.
Staring at the ice cream. No?
That didn't even work.
Oh, the birds are coming. Where we go? Madeline Island Ferry.
There's a lot of
Wait, no it is! Woo! We made it to our camping spot! I'll do a grand view of it. here's our tent. We're gonna put that up shortly. What do you think of our camping spot?
Oh, it's very wilderness. You know, like trees and such.
Then we have Kirsten over here using the electricity box.
Trying to figure it out.
Okay, now we're gonna put the tent together. This should be good. Tequila, tequila.
Up off the side.
I did not do anything to start this fire. Is this a good angle?
Yeah. Look at Kirsten scrub that pan.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we officially finished our first day on the island. And we're sleeping. You can't see anything. But anyways, we're watching a movie on the projector. Woo! Peace. Kirsten cut my hair off.
The chin thing? Yeah. I don't think you're doing long. Well, how do you like do it when it's so long? Like the side is still long. We're getting ready for the first snip of Kirsten's hair. Oh, goodness.
Is that right?
Do it now. Oh, got on my feet. That's our squirty bottle, guys. Cut that with my own knife.
Nice.
Well,
Gotta do what you gotta do in the wilderness.
Wilderness cuts.
just through her nasty hair over there. Where is it? There's a piece. Where's that other piece? Oh, there it is. Right there. Nasty. Oh, here we go.
Oh goodness.
Whoa!
Oh man, isn't that crazy? Today we're gonna go kayaking, probably, because it's pretty nice out.
Let's just talk about how lame Jess is. She's taking that in a mirror.
Yeah, we're gonna go kayaking tonight. Happy?
It's still recording. Say hi. Okay, jump back up.
We should build a fire on the beach.
Yeah. Okay, we're about to go swimming.
In Lake Superior.
And Lake Superior's freezing.
Oh,
Yeah.
everyone. I'm about to go in. Me too. Second today?
Yeah.
Okay. 6/22/17, Lake Superior, Wisconsin.
Sorry.
And I'm scared.
We're stupid. I feel like we need to run in like a dance or something. Ready? Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so cold.
My body is numb. Do not do it.
Say hi!
Just me out here.
In the open.
With his elbow.
If we found out that the world was gonna end on Tuesday
Oh, what in
morning,
the world?
what would everybody do?
Well, we did it.
And it's funny how the thought of that can make some things real important, and a lot of things seem pretty worthless too. But I'd be dancing like a fool, and I'd be laughing, I'd be crying, calling it.
So today is day 3 in the wilderness, and we haven't drinking any water or eaten any food in 3 days. So great.
Now that I think about it, maybe I should always live like the world is gonna end. Live like the world's gonna end, yeah. I hit all my favorite restaurants, they'd be open for business. Would not care what people thought, yeah. I'd speak love to anybody who came close enough to listen. And if someone had done me
So today we will be making a cookie on the fire. Yum.
Calling anybody who I ever
Watch this.
scared to say till then. Now that I think about it, maybe I should always live like
Got the car all
world's
packed.
gonna end. We spend most our lives and almost all our time on what we don't care about, what we could do without. And the tragedy is that we can't see it. We can't see it until time is running out. 'Cause I'd be dancing like a fool. I'd eat ice cream every morning. I'd call up everyone I love and drive them out to California. And we'd say the things
Ow.
we've been scared to death to say to them.
Woo! Keep it
Now
up,
that I
guys.
think about it,
I'm gonna
maybe
get
we should always live like
no regrets.
it's gonna end. Live like the world's gonna end.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Live like the world. Live like the world's gonna end. And I'm singing Elvira, Elvira. My heart's on fire for Elvira. Giddy up,
Papa, mow, mow.
giddy up.
Papa, mow, mow.
High on silver, away.
Tonight I'm gonna meet her at the Hungry House Cafe. I'm gonna give her all the love I can.
Yes, I am.